Connect the printer to the network directly. This is the easiest way to set up a network printer. Connect the printer to one of your PCs and share it with the network over HomeGroup. Step 1. Connect your printer to the network. Connect your printer directly to the network. Share a printer connected to a PC by using a HomeGroup. How to share? Follow the instructions. Start by firing up the HomeGroup control panel app. Click Start, type HomeGroup, and then click the selection, or hit Enter. On the printer's devices drop-down menu, choose the Shared option. Click Next and then you can close the HomeGroup options and move on to Step 2. Click the Join Now button and then click Next on the following screen. That just tells you a bit about HomeGroups. On the final screen, click the Finish button, and then you can move on to Step 2 and get your other PCs on the network connected to the printer. To create a new HomeGroup, click the Create a HomeGroup button. The following screen just tells you a little about HomeGroups. Go ahead and click Next. The final screen shows the password you'll need for other PCs on your network to connect to the HomeGroup. Write it down and then click the Finish button. Now that you've got your HomeGroup set up and your PC is sharing its printers with it, you can skip down to Step 2 and get those other PCs on the network connected to the printer. Connect to a printer without using HomeGroup. The Devices and Printers window shows a collection of devices on your PC. Click the Add a Printer link to get started adding your network printer. Click the printer you want to install. Windows will handle the installation, download drivers if needed, and ask you to provide a name for the printer. That's all you have to do. Since TCP/IP is the surest way to get a printer added, we're going to continue with that as our example. Select Add a Printer using a TCP/IP address or host name, and then click Next. Type the IP address for the printer into the host name or IP address box. Make sure the Query the Printer and automatically select the driver to use checkbox is selected, and then click Next. Type a new name for printer if the default name doesn't suit you, and then click Next. Choose whether to set the new printer as the default Print a Test page if you want to make sure everything's working, and then click Finish when you're Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support